Roman numeral 11. Water bills of 12 million to be paid monthly. So, water bills monthly means we're paying 12 millions every month as a cash outflow. It is an expense to the business, so that is 12 million. So moving on, the next cash outflow is general expenses. So it's at Roman numeral 12. It says general expenses of 6,400,000 to be paid monthly. So for every month we are recording 6,400,000. And once this is done, we have successfully recorded every transaction that was done by the business in terms of cash coming into the business and cash leaving the business. So we're going to have the total of cash outflow, total cash outflows, and then the final row, which is net cash position of the business. So using our calculator, we're going to add up the total of cash outflows. So when we add up everything on the side of cash outflows, we should get the total cash outflows. And then to find the net cash position, we are going to subtract the cash inflows less the cash outflows. So let me first find the cash outflows here. So we'll put the cash outflows right there, and then we shall find the net cash position by subtracting the cash inflows minus the cash outflows. So after finding our net cash position, this amount is carried on to the next month, which makes it the balance carried down, the balance brought down for the next month. So we are going to move our net cash position up to the next month, so from May to June. So it will join the working capital of the month of June. So now we're going to find the total cash inflows for the month of June. We're going to add the balance brought down from May, and then the credit sales, then the cash sales. This should give us the total cash inflows. And then we shall add the cash outflows also to get the total cash outflows. So So after getting the total cash outflows, we shall go ahead and find the net cash position by subtracting the cash inflows minus the cash outflows. And then this net cash position will be moved up as the balance breakdown for the next month. So from May to June to July. And then we shall repeat the same process. We're going to add the balance breakdown plus the credit sales plus the loan acquired plus the cash sales to get the total cash inflows for the month of July. So this is the total cash inflow for the month of July. So we're going to add all the cash outflows and get the total cash outflows. At this stage, a calculator is very important. If you do not have one, I suggest you get one, because here it is all about crunching numbers and getting totals. So we calculate and obtain the total cash outflows. So we put our value right there, and these are our total cash outflows, total of all the money leaving the business. So we are going to find the net cash position for July. So we are going to subtract our cash inflows minus our cash outflows to get this total. So we put it right there. We put our net cash position right there. And then you should not forget the net cash position becomes our new balance breakdown for the next month. For this case, for the month of August, our net cash position for July will be moved up as the balance breakdown into August. So once again, we are going to calculate for our cash inflows. So we're going to add the balance breakdown into August plus the credit sales plus the cash sales to get our total cash inflows for the month of August. So we put our value right there. And then after that, we're going to calculate our total cash outflows. So we are going to add everything in the column of cash outflows and then put it down in the row below to show that this is the value for total cash outflows, the cash flowing out of the business. So these are our total cash outflows. So once again, we're going to calculate for our net cash position. If you remember that, you should remember that. We're going to subtract the cash inflows minus the cash outflows to get our net cash position. So that is it. That is how we work out a cash flow statement in accounting, basic accounting, A-level accounting. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and comment. Thank you.